Have you ever looked at a street sign and seen it double? Or maybe your eyes feel tired after using your phone for too long. What if I told you your blurry vision might be because your eyes are shaped like a football? Let me explain. Your eye works like a camera. Light enters through the front, called the cornea, and focuses onto the back of your eye, the retina, to form a clear image. But for some people, the cornea isn't perfectly round. Instead, it's shaped more like an oval or a football. This shape causes the light to scatter, which makes your vision blurry or distorted. This condition is called astigmatism. And you're not alone. Around 4 out of 10 people in the world have it. Some are born with it. Others develop it later in life due to injuries, eye diseases, or even aging. It's not dangerous, but it can make everyday life harder, like reading, driving at night, or using a screen. But the good news is, it's easily treatable. You can correct astigmatism with glasses, contact lenses, or even laser surgery. There's also a cool method called ortho-K, where you wear special lenses overnight to reshape your eyes while you sleep. And for kids, early eye checks are super important because untreated astigmatism can affect learning and development. So, if your vision seems a little off, don't ignore it. Your eyes might just need a little help and a rounder lens.